Mainsaver helps you keep track of your inventories as spare parts are received and used. To receive materials and services from purchase orders, start by selecting the Receive button in the toolbar. This will take you to the Material Services Receiving page. Here, you can receive materials and services either from existing purchase orders or directly from the page without needing to create an order first. To receive from a purchase order, start by selecting a PO number. You can only receive from purchase orders with unreceived items. Setting up an approval process in System Admin will further restrict which purchase orders you can receive from. Next, select one or more items to receive. By default, you will receive the full remaining quantity of each selected item. If you wish to receive a different quantity, enter it in the Received Quantity column. If you would like to notify the purchase order's requester that you have received an item, check the Email Requester box. Finally, select the Receive button to process the receipt. Receiving only some of a purchase order's quantity will assign it a partially received status. You can continue to receive from it until all its items have no remaining quantity. Receiving a purchase order in full will assign it a new status. You can configure whether to assign it a fully received or closed status,